Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss today and we are going to learn the safety of the weapon and the safety of the range. So first, immediately you are remove your weapon from your box. So immediately you have to insert safety flag. So this is the very important because our and in the air rifle must your safety flag it should be basically is colorful, so to easily we can notice the weapon is safety flag is there when not in use. And the first thing is always treat the weapon is loaded and always keep the weapon in safe direction. So you have to keep it not here and there. Your barrel should be always towards the safe direction like target side. Always keep away your finger from the trigger finger. So when you are going to place on a trigger, it will be there when you are in action. Till the time you have to place your safe direction. The finger should not be on the trigger immediately when you are taking out your weapon. And the most thing is very important, never point your weapon towards anybody. And always in safe direction. Second is learn the mechanism, how the weapon is operated, how things we are going to use it during your competition or you are keeping the safe your weapon. So always use proper ammunition to load. So what is requirement of the weapon is whether it is a small bore or big bore or shotgun or your air rifle, the proper ammunition should be used. And be sure you must clean the barrel regularly after your training or the competition. And if your weapon is failed to perform, so maintenance is required. If you go for the competition, you see a lot of companies are there, they repair their weapons. So mechanism should be fully ready for use. So these are the careful we are there when we are using the points, keeping in mind the rules and regulations to handling the weapons and about the safety. Once you are on the lane, without inform the range officer or jury or chief range officer, you cannot move beyond this line. Any problem, anytime you face the weapon fails to register the shot or machine, immediately raise your hand, ask permission from range officer, show them what's problem I face it. Maybe my weapon is not firing or something, so keep in that mind. So any range if you go, you must have the chart safety rules. First is when you open your box, immediately insert safety flag. And the number two, never point your weapon anybody. Always safe direction. So this is the few important points we must follow in the range. Now you can see the athlete is going to open his box. So what we can do, we can see what's happening here. So now you can see the athlete take out his weapon and he's placed towards the firing point. That's good. But what the mistake he did, his chamber is closed. So he is not insert safety flag. So athlete, this is not as per the rule. When the moment you remove the weapon, immediately you can insert the safety flag. Do it now. So safety is important not only in our sports, other than any sports. First, we have to safeguard ourselves and the devices we are going to use. So this is also the way you can keep your weapon. If you keep in such a place, there will be the safety. Storage must be as the proper. So your box will be safe, your gun will be safe. So this is the one more important to keep the cylinder. So never lay down your cylinder like this, it is not the safe. So always keep your cylinder on the straight position, and when you are going to use, fill up your cylinder, and then you must use the device to open out your adapter, and always this should be in standing position. If you find your cylinder is lying on the ground, then what happened? This is compressed air, and maybe if the gases come to the front side, so during that time you are filling the cylinder, maybe some other things like some dust and everything comes to your cylinder. Later you are going to damage your propelling or damage your cylinder, and might be your o-ring will be damaged. So it is better to keep for the safety your cylinder on standing position always. So there will be a guideline each and every ranges. You must place the golden rules for safe weapon handling, and all the point we discuss, it will be written on your ranges. So it will be the athlete, maybe is the new athlete or beginners, or some parents are visiting the range, they must aware of the rules and regulations of safe weapon handling. And your range must be camera in your shooting range, so that you can check the safety. So camera basically is placed so that you can see your athlete was doing, and even the safety. So generally you can see what mistake the athlete did it. Again he forget to insert safety flag when he leaves the range. So this is our motto to teach our athlete. The moment you leave your firing point, you must insert safety flag. So never repeat again. So this is the about the safety, and this is the one demonstration we are doing in 10 meter. Same thing we are going to follow in 50 meter, and or even pistol 25 meter, or for the shotguns. So this is about the safety of class, and how to handle your weapons, and what should be safety we are going to follow in our shooting range, whether your personal shooting club or academy, or you have the like certified ranges. So this is the following of safety rules. And now the assignment for you, when you go to your next day to your athlete, so make your videos and upload video on your assignment. So this is going about the safety, what you are going to understand, and how you are going to implement those learning to our athlete.